Hi everyone, today we will introduce how to distinguish the top, bottom, left and right directions of the MY series modules. First, we need to confirm the top and the bottom directions of the module. There are two methods to distinguish them. The first method is to observe the orientation of the foolproof notch on this hard connection interface. The correct module installation direction should be with the notch facing downward. The second method is to observe the orientation of the text on the PCB board on the back of the interface. After determining the vertical orientation, we will now confirm the left and the right direction of the module. The key point is that this hard connection interface is positioned in the center of the cabinet.
After install all the modules, remember to lock the latch on the back.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching.